Okay guys, I'm gonna be making a cup of coffee. And there it is, there's my coffee maker. It's kinda cool. So you can tell this is like a brand new Hamilton Beach Flex Brew coffee maker. Really cool. I don't know how much it was. My dad got it. Really awesome. And also there's water on each side. So yeah. Anyways, this is really cool. If you're asking me, am I gonna do a video about this? No, I'm not. It's gonna be really stupid. Like, who's gonna watch a video about Mario getting a coffee maker? It's gonna be stupid. Well, yeah. If you heard that, that's from my coffee maker. But it's about to start. Yeah, and this is a vlog for the day. Ready? Here we go. It smells really good. Steam's going out. You see the coffee? It's pouring. It sounds like someone is taking a pee, but it's taking a very long time. Yeah. Alright, it's stopping. And I have creamer in anyways. I hope so. Yep, I have creamer. And this is my new pajamas. Yeah, game on. I'll show you guys the back one day. And there, we got the game eat. Be cool. Pizza. That's for eating. We got the cool sleep. Gaming. It's cool. Yeah, it's really cool. It's everywhere. Where you can buy it is, at Walmart. Yeah. Wow, Walmart or Target. Somewhere where you buy your clothes. Yeah. Anyways. This is the Dunkin' Donut coffee. Yeah, I needed to have the caffeine. Anyways, right here is an old coffee maker. Yeah, it's the Mr. Coffee brand, and we got a Hamilton Beach Flex Brew brand now. Yeah, let me just, and it's not even morning, it's like close to nighttime, but it's daylight savings time, and everything just got messed up. Alright, we got the creamer. Hazelnut, my favorite. Alright. Anyways, I think I'll show you guys the back. Yeah, this is the back. Right here. I bet you guys can read it now. Right, oh. Right now. Right, guys, can you read it? Alright. Anyways, coffee is really good. It can keep you up in the morning. Anyways, I might start continuing this vlogging channel. Yeah, we're gonna be having pizza, soon, but that's not gonna be today. Yeah. That's really hot. Anyways, if you checked my Instagram post earlier today, it says that coffee is just hot Pepsi. But you got the creamer. Yeah. And hot Pepsi is, yeah, And I'll show you my Pepsi earlier. Here we go. But the coffee machine will be in some videos. Now this is Pepsi. And, you know, it doesn't really taste the same. Coffee tastes like coffee. And if you hear music in the background, I'm sorry. Okay, that's really hot. I love coffee. It gives me caffeine. If your parents don't allow you to drink coffee, that's not my fault. Yeah. Anyways, thank you all for watching the video. Sorry it was like 5 minutes long or 6. I don't care, but anyways, goodbye. Hey everyone, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Tell me what should I vlog next. Anyways, that's sugar right there. I forgot about that. Anyways, thank you all for watching the video, and the next vlog will be tomorrow. Yeah, I'm starting with daily vlogging now. Anyways, I will start doing reviews to movies I've seen. I'll do reviews to, Black Panther, the new Thor movie. I'll also review movies that came out months ago, like Thor and Star Wars. Well, I already reviewed, Justice League, yeah. Anyways, thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, oh, that was a fail. Like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you all for your support, and Super Mario Plus 2 will come out later on next month. Next month is April, and no, it's not an April Fool's joke. I'm actually working on this movie. I'm taking a little break so I can, you know, do that. And if you see my, you know, it kind of looks like I have 4 arms. Hold on, let me lower my arms. Yeah, it kind of looks like I have 4 arms right here, but it's kind of weird. Alright. Yeah, I'll see you guys later.